Hi, this is the bird's eye view trap, an intermediate level trap for white in the bird's opening. But it doesn't come highly recommended, as white enters into an inferior position with a significant minus score and then plays upon black's inaccuracies in order to secure a win. After f4, the bird's opening, d5, the most common response by black. And here white offers up a pawn, e4 in the center. When black takes it, knight c3 wants that pawn back, and black defends naturally with knight to f6. Queen e2, further pressure to regain the pawn on e4, and black brings out another minor piece, the bishop to f5 to defend. But this does allow white to come in with queen b5, which not only gives check to the king, hitting the bishop now on f5 and the pawn on b7. Well, the bishop withdraws now to d7, and after queen captures on b7, black would be doing actually quite well with knight c6, whereby the queen defends the rook on a8. However, when black plays the very natural bishop c6, hitting the queen and defending the rook on a8, then white here is winning already with bishop b5. The bishop now on c6 is pinned. It can't play bishop takes queen. And if bishop takes bishop, well, that drops the rook with a great position for white. So after bishop b5, black defends the bishop with queen d7. Now this allows bishop takes on c6. If knight takes on c6, then queen takes on a8. That's got to be winning for white. And after bishop takes c6, if queen takes on c6, that simply allows queen c8, checkmate. So this has been the bird's eye view trap in the bird's opening, an intermediate level trap for white. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.